quick turn is a counter-trend strategy. The strategy built on a combination of stochastic oscillator, parabolic SAR and weighted moving average. Trading preparations. Choose an asset, choose a candlestick chart and a time frame. For this strategy, the best time frames are 5 and 10 minutes. Expiration time must be 2 or 3 times bigger than the chosen time frame. On the platform, open the Indicators tab and select Stochastic Oscillator. In the settings of indicator, set next periods %K 14, %D 5 and M 5. Then select Parabolic SAR and change period to 0.09. After this, select Weighted Moving Average with a period of 7. After everything is ready, let's start trading. The signal for down trade will be the 3 following moments. Chart crosses WMA from top to bottom. Stochastic on the overbought zone and quick line crosses slow line from top to bottom. Then Parabolic SAR dot appears above the chart. The signal for up trade will be the 3 following moments. Chart crosses WMA from bottom to top. Stochastic on the oversold zone and quick line crosses slow line from bottom to top. Then Parabolic SAR dot appears below the chart. When all the conditions are met, you can open a trade. Well, let's open a trade and try the strategy in action. Study and earn with us.